Aloha everybody, this is Maui Karen Ann. Thank you for watching. I really enjoy comments about good and bad things, so please don't hesitate to comment. Also, I need subscribers, so I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. All you do is hit the subscribe button, and then if you'll hit the bell, because that indicates that every video I put out, you'll get a copy of it. So this is a gallery canvas, and I believe it was 12 by 24. So what I did, I like to do flip cups, and gray and white are my favorite colors. So the white is just Artist Loft white, titanium white, and then the gray is a gray mix that I've mixed up myself. Now I'm kind of a control freak. I like to be in control of the paint. So when I did the flip cup, I found out I didn't have enough paint. So I've been adding more paint, and then I get too much gray some places, too much white some places. So then I took the spatula and went across and combined the paints, and it turned out I liked it. So I just let it be, let it dry, and I sold it before anything else. So thank you for watching. Aloha and have a wonderful day.